In a world obsessed with comparison, insecurity runs rampant. We scroll through curated lives, measuring ourselves against impossible standards. The constant barrage of images and information weighs heavy on our hearts, leaving us feeling inadequate. But insecurity doesn't just stem from external pressures. It often takes root in the words spoken to us, shaping our self-perception from a young age. These words, whether careless whispers or intentional pronouncements, have the power to leave lasting marks. Proverbs 18:21 states, "Death and life are in the power of the tongue." This ancient wisdom highlights the profound impact words have on our lives. Words are not mere sounds, they are powerful forces that shape our reality. Imagine words as invisible hands, molding us like clay. Positive words filled with encouragement and affirmation shape us into confident individuals. They build us up, instilling a sense of self-worth and purpose. However, just as easily, negative words can chip away at our sense of self, eroding the foundation of our confidence and self-worth. They can leave us questioning our abilities and doubting our value. Young J.T. I vividly remember being told I was too sensitive as a child. Those words echoed in my mind, shaping my perception of myself. That label, repeated over time, led me to believe that my empathy was a weakness, something to be hidden. I started to internalize these negative labels, masking my true self to fit in. This experience taught me that words have the power to create deep-seated insecurities. They can act as a form of verbal abuse, leaving emotional wounds that are not easily healed. The scars left by hurtful words can linger long after they are spoken, shaping our thoughts and behaviors. These emotional wounds can influence our actions and decisions, often without us even realizing it. Section 4. Breaking free from the mold. This section is all about understanding and overcoming the constraints that have been placed upon us, often without our realization. It's essential to acknowledge the impact of words spoken over us, both positive and negative words. I'll have the power to shape our reality, influence our self-perception, and dictate our actions. Encouraging friend. Reflect on the messages you've internalized. Consider how these messages have influenced your beliefs and behaviors over time. Are you carrying the weight of someone else's opinion? Often we unknowingly let others' judgments and expectations dictate our paths. It's time to break free from those limiting beliefs. Recognize that you have the power to redefine your narrative and set your own course, no matter how you started. Start now by challenging negative self-talk. Identify those critical voices and question their validity. Encouraging friend. Replace those critical voices with affirmations of your worth and potential. Remind yourself daily of your strengths and capabilities. Surround yourself with people who speak life into you, who see your value and encourage your growth. Build a community that uplifts and supports you in your journey towards self-discovery and empowerment. Join the amazing Women Over 50 community. Section 5. The Power Within. This section is all about discovering the immense power that lies within each of us. Remember, you have the power to redefine yourself. Every day is a new opportunity to reshape your identity and embrace your true potential. Adult JT. You are not defined by the words spoken over you, nor by the limitations others place on you, but by the words you choose to believe. The affirmations you repeat to yourself can transform your mindset and your life. Embrace your strengths, acknowledge your weaknesses, and step into the fullness of who you are meant to be. It's okay to be vulnerable. It shows your true strength. The journey to overcome insecurity may not be easy, but every step you take brings you closer to your true self. But it is a journey worth taking. The challenges you face will only make you stronger and more resilient. Embrace the power of your own words, for they hold the key to your transformation. And let them be a source of strength, healing, and transformation. Speak to yourself with kindness and watch as your inner power unfolds.